We're going to talk a little bit now about this idea of citing and developing our text evidence in our QuickWrites. So we're going to use this sample QuickWrite assignment. So this isn't the actual assignment that you'll be working on right now, but it's something very similar. So it says, based on the poems on pages 42 through 47, what kind of person is Ha's mother? Explain. Write a complete paragraph in which you explain your answer using specific details from the text. Well, first thing I need to do is start off by obviously answering that question like we've said. So the question is, what kind of person is Ha's mother? So I might write, Ha's mother is someone who is someone who cares a lot for her family. Kind of a very quick, simple statement. Now I need to find evidence that supports that idea. So if I go back to the book and I look on page 47, I can see this line here. Ha's mother says, "You deserve to grow up where you don't have to worry about saving half a bite of sweet potato." That shows that she wants better for her kids than the current situation, which makes a lot of sense. So I think that evidence supports my idea that Ha's mother is someone who cares a lot for her family. I think it might even help me to change my focus statement a little bit in sort of saying not only does she care for them, but she wants life to be better for them. So I'm going to actually use some of the evidence I found to reframe my thinking a little bit and write, Ha's mother is someone who cares a lot for her family. I'm going to write, Ha's mother is someone who wants a better life for her family. Now you can see how I'm evolving my thinking based on the evidence I get. So yes, I know she wants good things, but here she wants it to be better, and I can start to name specific ways. All right? So I'm going to start to talk about the poem, Quiet Decision. So I go into my evidence. In the poem, Quiet Decision, gotta make sure you spell quiet right. Nope. I got it right. Google's crazy. Quiet Decision. Ha's mother says, "You deserve to grow up where you don't have to worry about saving half a bite of sweet potato." So I've included my first piece of supporting evidence. Now I need to develop it. So if I was to come to my rubric and remind myself what I'm doing here, I have in my response that has a clear introduction to the quote, for example, or in the text it states, I feel like I've provided the strongest quote that shows that she wants what's best for her family. Now I need to develop it. I have to provide analysis. This document attached to the assignment, called Building Better Analysis, gives us lots of ways to do that. So I could start to summarize my idea. I could say, in other words, this means, this shows, this reminds me of, or even start to provide deeper analysis, which is something we're going to talk about adding as well. So for now, what I might just say is, in other words, what does she mean when she says this? I'm going to write, in other words, Ha's mother knows that their situation is very difficult and wants to bring her family to a place where they will not face such struggle. So I've cited my evidence and I've started to explain it. Okay? It's not about sweet potato, it's about facing struggle and finding a better thing for her family than these small problems. So when we're looking at your QuickWrites, we're really looking for a good, solid focus statement that goes into the evidence, and then you start to explain that evidence. Tell me what it's all about. Look at this document. At the very least right now, we want to start off summarizing our ideas that we're including. All right? Thanks. I can't wait to see what we do. Have a great day.